All of us girls, we're in and out of love, we're vulnerable, but we'll tell you that we're tough. Some of these guys never think that they get caught, think that we're blind, but they're forgetting that we talk. If he never calls when he says he will, if he always tells you to keep it chill, if you see him out with another girl, baby, then you know he was never real. If he never wants you to meet his friends, if he ain't tagging you on the gram, take your heart and turn around while you still can. And tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him I got somewhere else to be, and I don't lose my head for nobody. Yeah, you have to question, is he loyal to me? Well then he's probably not, and you should probably leave. Says he's online, but he told you he's asleep. You stay inside, like he never wants you to be seen. Ain't got a job, no. Says he models on the side, swears you're the one, oh, but he's not the label type. If he never calls when he says he will, if he always tells you to keep it chill, if you see him out with another girl, baby, then you know he was never real. Hope you never let those pictures send, he'll only gonna shoot them to his friends. Take your heart and turn around while you still can. And tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him I got somewhere else to be, and I don't lose my head for nobody. Yeah, you have to question, is he loyal to me? Well then he's probably not, and you should probably leave. Yeah, ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, ooh, 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 ooh. They're not loyal to me. They're not loyal to me. They're not loyal to me. They're not loyal. And tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him I got somewhere else to be, and I don't lose my head for nobody. Yeah, you have to question, is he loyal to me? Well then he's probably not, and you should probably leave. And tell him, tell him, tell him, tell him I got somewhere else to be, and I don't lose my head for nobody. Yeah, you have to question, is he loyal to me? Well then he's probably not, and you should probably leave. Yeah, you have to question, is he loyal to me? Well then he's probably not, and you should probably leave. All of us girls, we're in and out of love, we're vulnerable, but we'll tell you that we're tough. Some of these guys never think that they get caught, think that we're blind, but they're forgetting that we talk. Sing it with me.